We tried hard to make Sketchup fun and easy, even for completely new users. To get you started though, there are some driving concepts behind Sketchup that you should know about. The first thing for you to understand is that Sketchup is 3D. When working in 3D, here are the essential tools you must know. This is the Orbit tool. Pick this tool to look around your 3D model. You can see how the tool works, letting us look above, below, and orbit our view anywhere around the model. The next tool for working in 3D is the Zoom tool. This one is pretty obvious, letting you zoom into the model and away from it. And finally, there is the Pan tool. Panning will move your view side to side and up and down without orbiting. So that's it. Orbit, Zoom, and Pan are the three tools you need to understand first to be successful in Sketchup. Here is an example. We'd like to examine some of the details on the other side of this desk. Use Orbit to look around, Zoom to get in closer, Pan to center the object in our view, etc. Now that you know how to navigate, try this. If you are using a 3-button scroll wheel mouse, use the scroll wheel to navigate. Roll the wheel forward and back to zoom, press and hold the wheel to orbit. While pressing the wheel, also hold the Shift key on your keyboard to pan. Now that you know how to look around inside of SketchUp, it's time to learn what really makes SketchUp special. What is the big idea that makes SketchUp so easy and so fun to use? You simply draw some shapes to start, then the magic happens. Use the simple shapes and pull them into 3D objects. Draw more shapes and pull those into 3D objects. That is it. That's the big idea. Draw some shapes and pull them into 3D. Of course, SketchUp can do far more than this, but if you understand this key concept, you are well on your way to becoming a SketchUp expert. So let's review. There are two main concepts for you to understand about SketchUp. The first is that SketchUp is all about 3D, and working in 3D is all about the Orbit, Zoom, and Pan tools, which are built right into the scroll wheel of your mouse. Use these often. The second concept, or big idea, is that 3D can start with a simple shape. Draw a shape and pull it into 3D, and repeat over and over and over again.